Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we are diving into an exciting topic, the human nervous system. Buckle up as we explore the incredible network that controls everything from your thoughts to your heartbeat. Let's get started. The human nervous system is like a superhighway of communication within your body. It's divided into two main parts, the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. First up, we have the central nervous system, consisting of the brain and the spinal cord. The brain is the command center, controlling all our thoughts, emotions, and bodily functions. It's like the CEO of your body. The spinal cord, on the other hand, acts as a highway for messages between the brain and the rest of the body. Now, let's talk about the basic building blocks of the nervous system, neurons. Neurons are specialized cells that transmit information through electrical signals. They consist of a cell body, dendrites that receive signals, and an axon that sends signals. Moving on to the peripheral nervous system, this includes all the nerves outside the brain and spinal cord. It's like the information highway connecting the central nervous system to the rest of your body. There are two main types of nerves in the peripheral nervous system: sensory nerves, which carry information from your senses to the brain, and motor nerves, which carry instructions from the brain to your muscles and organs. Now, let's talk about reflexes. Reflexes are rapid, automatic responses to certain stimuli. They don't involve the brain's conscious processing. For example, when you touch something hot, your hand pulls away before you even realize it's hot. This happens through a reflex arc involving sensory and motor neurons. Lastly, we have the autonomic nervous system, which controls involuntary functions like heart rate, digestion, and breathing. It's like the automatic pilot of your body. So, there you have it. The human nervous system is truly an intricate and fascinating network that keeps us ticking. From the brain to the spinal cord, neurons to reflexes, it's all about communication and coordination. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more educational content, and leave any questions you have in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring the amazing world of biology. Stay curious.